My name is Vaibhav Owad. This is my submission for full stack developer case study. I developed mini ERP plus CRM operational portal. This application manages customer product inventory, sales challans, and operational reporting. It supports four roles currently: admin, sales, warehouse, and accounts. So now I will be showing you its architecture. Before architecture, let's say technology stack. We have used React, White, React Routers, Axios, React Context, CSS. For backend, we have used Node.js, Express, Postgres, PG, JWT, Backrep, .env, Element, Cors. Uh, so the architecture is simple. Front end uses Axios to, make a request to Express REST API. JWT authentication is then done. Role authorization is done. Controller services do their middleware operations. Then request is forwarded to database, which is Postgres. Let's see our so it is currently deployed. We have deployed both front end and back end on render. Database is also deployed on render. Uh, let's see. So this is front end main page link. Uh, yeah. So currently we are using demo IDs. This is demo admin ID. We will be logging it through this. So okay, now you can see we are on dashboard page. Here we can see that total customers, active customers, total products, low stock product, draft challans, confirm challans. We also see recent customers, recent challans, low stock products. If we go to customers, we can see that we have customers. We can create new customer through here. We just need to give it name, new customer. Mobile number. The mobile number will be 123 0. Let's create it. So our new customer was created. Let's see products. We can see that we have some demo products already. Let's create new product. Let's get SLQ 01. For category, we will be using beverages. For warehouse, let's use city warehouse. Unit price will be 10, okay, 100. Minimum stock alert, let's keep it to 10. Okay, we can see that our new product is already here. 100, 0, 10. Let's see actions, low stock, yes. We can edit it from here. Let's go to inventory. Here we can see movement. For example, let's add new product, quantity, 20, type in, reason. Let's add restock. So we have selected, we have done restocking. We can see that we have 20 in stock. Let's see Chalans or Chala. Okay, now I'll be demonstrating the Chalan. Let's create new Chalan. We will be selecting new customer. Product we will be setting a new product. Let's add quantity to 10. Okay, for now we will be setting it as a save draft. Okay, it is saved as a draft. So let's check our product. We can see that stock hasn't decreased. Let's go to Chalan again, open, mm, and here mm, we are gonna confirm. Okay, so our challan has been confirmed. Let's go to products. We can see that our stock has decreased by 10. This is as expected. Here we can see our profile. Now I'll be signing out and show you other profiles and how they function. We will be using demo accounts for other profiles as well. So the demo account I will be using right now will be warehouse. So we have entered warehouse ID and password. Let's sign in. So we can see that warehouse cannot see customers. It's only showing products, inventory, and challans. So customers are not visible to our warehouse IDs. Let's go to here again. Select accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go here, sign out. Account one. Let's log in. So we have logged in into accounts, and as we can see, we have only customers here and products. So our accounts cannot see our inventory and they cannot make changes in it. So that was our role hierarchy and our demo of working of a website. Let's move on to our code. Uh, for code, let's first go to our backend. Let's open our server.js. So server.js is our entry point. It initializes Express server, configures middlewares such as CORS, Helmet, JSON parsing, registers API route, and starts the server. So second one I want to talk about is DB. Here database it basically initializes our Postgres pool connection and it handles all the connections using PG library. So next one I want to show you is middleware uh, or .js. This middleware is responsible for protecting the API. It verifies the JWT from request and identifies the authenticated user. The authorization logic that checks whether the user role is allowed to perform the requested operation. Now let's see routes. So basically, we can see there is auth route, challan route, customer route, dashboard route, inventory route, and product routes. These are separated into modules using Express router. Each group corresponds to a business module, which keeps the backend organized and makes the API easier to maintain. So now let's go to controller. Here we have auth controller. Uh, So there is not much to talk about an auth controller. Let's see. Let's talk about customer controller. So the customer controller contains business logic or operation for the CRM, such as creating, retrieving, updating the customers. It basically manages CRUD of the customers. Challan controller controls the CRUD of the Challan's dashboard. Basically gives us the summarized information we need. It is basically perform. It is basically sending data back to get request. Product controller also manages the CRUD operations of products. Inventory controller Inventory control handles operations of stock movement. It records changes such as stock coming in, going out, and maintains the inventory movement history. Apart from this, so we have dbhelpers.js. This you know help this helper centralizes database transaction handling. It starts a transaction, executes operations, commits if everything succeeds, and roll back if error. So we have talked about backend. Let's start with our front end. So API.js is a communication centralized to Axios. This avoids repeating API configuration through individual components and allows authentication headers and common API behavior to be managed consistently. Let's move to context. Uh, Auth Context manages authentication state across React application. It handles logged in users and authentication information so that protected pages and role-based UI behavior can respond to the current session. We have also have groups here. Uh, and the front-end routing layer controls which pages can be accessed and work together with authentication state and protect your application. So this has been our front end and back end important codes. Apart from that, we have pages here of different, you know, code of different pages such as Challan form, Challan pages. We have hook. Uh, so this is basically our main code. Now that we are finished with it, let me show you our database schema. So this is our database schema. As you can see, account user is connected to customer, customer follow-up, inventory movement, products, challan, product category is connected with products, product warehouse is connected with products, product is connected with customers, inventory stock movements, challans. Uh, a customer is connected with accounts, products, customer follow-ups, challans, etc. So this is our whole walkthrough of our project.